Hello, Elin here, and I'm so happy to see you here. Today I brought you out into my happy place, in the forest, in nature. I brought my favorite tote bag with me, in which I have the book that is quietly changing thousands of people's lives. It has certainly been changing my life for the past couple of years, and today I wanted to share a little bit more about how. And why? Why did I start this stitch journal? So what you're seeing in front of you is 2 years worth of stitchery. Quite literally, me stitching myself back together. In the past couple of years, I've been going through burnout. As women, mothers, entrepreneurs, moving countries, it's very easy to forget that we also need support, that we also need to say, hey, I need some help, or I need a break. And I have been terribly bad at that. The doctors, the therapists, everyone says the same thing. Just rest, take a break. But how can you just do that without your entire life, your entire business, everything falling apart? Because if you don't do it, who's going to do it? I found myself in a position where rest was only helping me so much. And I started to feel that rest almost drained me more than it generated me. And I desperately needed energy. I needed to feel like myself again. I felt like I disappeared. And that is how the stitch journal became a savior. Sounds big, but I would say it allowed me to stitch myself back together. A stitch journal is a way to ground yourself. I stitch reminders, I stitch quotes, I stitch soft movements, whatever it is that comes to mind that day, whatever it is I feel that my nervous system needs, I'll stitch it into my journal. And I've been doing this practice now every morning to start my day with something concrete in my hands. Staying away from the screens first thing, staying away from work, staying away, just allowing yourself to ground, and it has transformed me. So if nothing else, if you feel overwhelmed, if you feel that the only thing you hear is that you need to rest more, or you need to meditate more, or you need to do less, maybe what you need is more art. Maybe it's a stitch journal that can allow you to feel that creative fulfillment, the satisfaction, the reconnection to yourself, to just spend those minutes doing something, working with your hands that is entirely for you. Not because it's productive, not because it's somebody needs you, not because for whatever other reason, all the daily expectations of life. No, this is for you, entirely for you. No other purpose than allowing your nervous system to finally have a break. So if you haven't taken it yet, I have a free class showing you exactly how I put my book together so that you can put one together as well. And all I can say is watch how it transforms your life.